Okay, so for problem 11, they give us this formula right here, and they say that it's a profit equation, and they say that P is the number of items, N is the cost, how much each is sold for, C is the expenses, E, and so on. So they give us all these letters, and they want to know what N is. So we don't really have to care about all of this so much. What we have to care about is they gave us an equation, and I'm going to write that down here. You should do the same. P equals NC minus E, okay? And they're telling us what P is, they're telling us what C is, they're telling us what E is, but they're not telling us what N is. That's going to be our job. So what we want to do is we want to take these numbers and put them into the correct spots. So P is 75, so we shouldn't have a P here anymore. We should just put a 75 there. So 75 equals, all right, what is N? That's the one they didn't give us. So we're going to have to keep an N right here. Okay, next, C is 50, so a 50 goes right here. Minus E is 34, so minus 34. Okay, so now all we have to do is get N by itself, and then we will know what N is, and that's all we've got to do left. So let's get N by itself. So the first thing we want to do is move this 34 over. So I'll add 34. Okay, so this would be 109 equals, I'm going to call that 50N instead of N50 because I think it looks nicer to have the number first. So this is 50 times N, so I'll divide by 50. So N equals whatever 109 divided by 50 is. And I'm going to have to get my calculator out for that. Okay, 109 divided by 50. Okay, so 2.18. So N equals 2.18. And it's just that simple.